In the realm of botanical wonders, air plants, scientifically known as Tillandsia, stand out for their unique characteristics and their ability to thrive without soil. These fascinating plants captivate enthusiasts with their diverse shapes, vibrant colors, and low-maintenance care requirements, making them an ideal choice for both seasoned gardeners and beginners looking to add greenery to their homes. Let's delve into the art of cultivating air plants and discover how they can effortlessly transform your living space into a botanical haven. Understanding air plants. Air plants are epiphytes, meaning they don't require soil to grow. They absorb water and nutrients through their specialized leaves, which have trichomes, tiny structures that enable them to extract moisture from the air. These adaptive plants naturally grow on tree branches, rocks, and various surfaces, making them a versatile and intriguing addition to any indoor environment. Cultivation tips. Light air plants thrive in bright, indirect light. They're adaptable and can flourish in various lighting conditions, making them suitable for almost any room in your home. Placing them near a window or in a room with ample natural light is generally ideal. Watering. Submerge your air plants in room temperature water for about 30 minutes once a week, allowing them to soak up moisture. Afterward, shake off excess water and let them dry upside down to prevent rot. In drier climates, misting the plants between waterings helps maintain their hydration. Air circulation. Good air circulation is crucial for air plants. Ensure they have access to fresh air by placing them in areas with gentle airflow or using fans to prevent stagnation and excess moisture. Temperature. Air plants prefer moderate temperatures, ideally between 50°F to 90°F 10°C to 32°CE. They can withstand brief exposure to higher or lower temperatures, but should generally be kept in a comfortable indoor range. Decorating with air plants. The versatility of air plants extends beyond their care requirements. Their unique shapes and sizes make them perfect for creative displays and home decor. Here are some imaginative ways to showcase these enchanting plants. Terrariums. Create visually appealing terrariums by combining air plants with stones, driftwood, or seashells. Display them in glass containers, allowing you to observe their beauty from all angles. Hanging gardens. String up air plants using fishing line, wire, or decorative macrame hangers. Hang them from the ceiling or place them on wall-mounted fixtures for a stunning visual effect. Living wall art. Design living wall art by affixing air plants to a wooden or wire frame. Combine various species and sizes to craft a unique, eye-catching display. Suspended orbs. Place air plants in hanging glass orbs or globes, allowing them to dangle freely. These transparent vessels create an ethereal, floating effect. Caring for air plants. While air plants are relatively low maintenance, they do require some attention to thrive. Here are a few additional care tips. Fertilization. To promote growth and vibrant foliage, use a specialized air plant fertilizer diluted to half strength. Apply it once a month during the growing season. Spring to fall. Trimming. Remove any dried or dead leaves using clean, sharp scissors to maintain the plant's health and aesthetics. Reproduction. Air plants produce offsets or pups as part of their natural growth cycle. Gently separate these pups from the mother plant once they are about 1/3 to 1/2 its size, and they will grow into individual plants. Air plants have the remarkable ability to elevate any living space with their distinct beauty and minimal care needs. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a novice plant enthusiast, cultivating these captivating species can bring a touch of nature's elegance into your home, offering an oasis of greenery and a sense of tranquility. Experiment with different arrangements and discover the unique charm these enchanting plants can bring to your living space.